Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to use Kimi AI, a powerful Chinese AI chatbot by Moonshot AI that's taking the world by storm in 2025. Whether you are using it for writing, coding, studying, or productivity, this tutorial will help you get started first. Let, let's dive in. Kimi AI is an advanced AI assistant that understands and generates human-like responses. It's built to handle writing help, summarizing documents, answering questions, translating text, coding supports, and more. Similar to ChatGPT, but with unique features tailored to Chinese users and legal multilingual needs. It works best in browsers, but it's also available as an app in same regions. To get started, go to kimi.chatbot.cn. What a feature. You may need to sign up using a Chinese phone number or third-party login. WeChat or Apple ID may be supported. Once inside, you will see a clean chat interface that like most AI tools. If you are outside China, you might need a VPN to access the platform. Let's try some real examples. Easy help. Type help me write an argumentative essay on AI in education. Then click enter or click generate button. Kimi will generate structured paragraphs including an introduction body, and conclusion. Emails try write a professional email to a client about project delay. Hit again generate. The chatbot will generate your email like that. Then summarizing texts. Paste any long articles like that, copy and paste here, and say summarize this in 5 bullet points. This saves tons of time for students and writers. Kimi is also great for developers, but it's very slow. Like that. Try prompts like write a Python script that scraps product prices from Amazon. Fix this code error, name df is not defined. Kimi can explain code, refactor it, generate functions. It's especially helpful for new coders or debugging in real time. Kimi supports Chinese and English fluently, with some support for other languages too. You can try translate this paragraph into Chinese, explain this Chinese idiom in English. Bonus, ask it to rewrite text in a different tone, like formal, casual, or persuasive. This makes it great for content creators, translators, and marketers. One of Kimi's closest features is document support. Click the file upload, then upload your PDF, docs, or text file. Ask summarize this document. What's the main argument in this PDF? List all deadlines mentioned in this file. It can read and analyze long files better than many other AI tools right now. Perfect for students, lawyers, researchers, and professionals. To get the best answers, be specific with your prompts. The more detail, the better. Use follow up questions. It remembers context. Ask it to act as a business consultant, and review my startup idea. You can also copy, export, or rephrase responses using the built-in tools in the chat. And that's how you use Kimi AI in 2025 like a pro. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or just curious, this tool can seriously boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a Kimi versus ChatGPT comparison video next. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.